Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a cute rainbow shape together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw a triangle for the nose and 2 semicircles for the mouth. Draw lots of semicircles of different sizes for the hair. Draw 2 curved lines in an inverted U shape for both ears. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now start drawing lots of semicircles for the body outline, like I do. Draw more semicircles to form 7 stripes on the fur. Draw the first bow with a vertical line, a curved line, a vertical line, and a curved line for the hoof. Repeat the step for the other legs as well. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes and hooves. Use light pink for the face, ears, and pose. darker pink for the inside of the ears and nose. Color the first strip of wool with red. Use orange for the second strip of wool. Use yellow for the third strip of wool. Color the fourth strip of wool with green. Use light blue for the fifth strip of wool. Use blue for the sixth strip of wool. And use purple for the last strip of wool. Excellent! Our rainbow ship is ready to run across the meadows with you. Good job! Bye-bye friends, see you soon!